Today, you'll learn how to copy text from PDF to Word in same format. First, open Microsoft Word. Click File, then Open, and select your PDF file. As soon as you open it, a message will appear saying that Word will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Simply click OK and wait a few seconds while Word converts the file. Once the conversion is complete, you'll see your PDF opened as a normal Word document. Now select the text you want to copy using your mouse, then right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. Next, open the Word document where you want to paste the content. Click where you want the text to appear, then press Ctrl-V to paste it. That's it! If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.